In today's video, I want to talk about Neville's secret when it comes to manifesting. Now, this is not just a technique, this is something that we can apply to our everyday lives and we can just start feeling good instantly. And that's why I feel like this is something that can help our manifestation process and increase our manifesting time by a great degree. It's personally worked for me, it's personally worked for my clients and a lot of people out there, honestly. And I feel like a lot of entrepreneurs, when I think of them, they use this simple technique, if you will, in order to boost their manifestation and get what they want really quickly. So if you want to learn more about this, stay tuned and let's get started. Welcome back to this video. My name is Rav, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Neville's secret when it comes to manifesting. Now, before we begin, I also wanted to let you know that I am a manifestation coach and I do offer one-on-one coaching sessions. And right now I also have this new ebook out which you can get for free. This book teaches you how to affirm properly, how to feel the affirmations, and how to get exactly what you want using affirmations. So if you're interested in learning more about that, just go to www.ravempowers.com. So let's get into this video. Let's talk about the secret, right? But before we even talk about that, let's talk about the basic of manifestation, right? How it works. At the core of manifestation, what it comes down to is focus, right? Where our focus lies. So if you're focusing on all the things and all the reasons how you can't have your manifestation, then you're not gonna get what you want. And I'm not trying to blame you personally, because a lot of these things happen at a subconscious level, and through this channel what we're trying to do is change a lot of those subconscious programmings and help you get your desired results faster, right? In this channel we talk about meditation, hypnosis, affirmations, and everything that we're trying to do is trying to change our focus from us feeling like we can't have what we want and us thinking that we can't have what we want, to thinking and feeling and believing that we can have what we want, right? So it's a game of focus. Manifestation is a game of focus. It's as simple as that. So talking about this technique, Neville's secret, that I was trying to convey earlier, this is something that he talked about in almost all of his lectures. But at the same time, more I think a lot of people just tend to focus on the how to do it, right? Like how to visualize, how to affirm, how to do the mental diet and all that kind of stuff. But Neville kept hammering on this point that we have to feel grateful in order to get what we want. And I think that's the whole premise of the book. Feeling is the secret, right? I mean, I'm pretty sure it is, that we have to feel grateful before we can have what we want. And we have to just really release the desire at a level where we just keep feeling grateful and not being super fixated and worried about it. There's this particular way how Neville taught us how we can feel grateful, and it's really awesome. And there's a lot of ways to feel gratitude in our life, right? People write journals. They have gratitude journals where they write things that they are grateful for. And you can just visualize, you can think about all the things that you have in your life, and you can feel grateful in that way. But Neville's solution was even more simpler, and he simply said, just close your eyes and do some deep breathing and just say, "Isn't it wonderful?" And just keep repeating this phrase over and over again and focus on feeling wonderful. So when you start focusing on feeling wonderful, what starts to happen is you'll start to just gather memories, thoughts, and all these ideas of how you can be grateful in your life, how you can feel wonderful, how you already have been feeling wonderful, but you may not have even noticed, right? So this taps into the core, which is the feeling of it, rather than just trying to think of something conceptually and be writing about it, or trying to just visualize, try so hard to visualize about the things that you can be grateful for and things like that. But when you start repeating this phrase over and over again, like, "Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful?" what starts to happen is you don't even have to think about things really hardly. All these memories, all these things that you are actually grateful for, it comes into your mind and it just starts flashing into your eyes in a way, right? So that's why I think this is very powerful. If you do tap into the feeling of feeling wonderful, it's definitely gonna work. You will start feeling grateful, and what starts to happen is your focus is gonna start to change from, "Oh, I can never have what I want, I can't have this thing in my life," to my life is already awesome, maybe I can have this, and from maybe it will go to, I'm pretty sure I can have this thing, and then it's gonna go to, I can definitely have this thing, right? It's gonna get to that point, and by that time you'll already have what you want. You already start to manifest all things left and right. Sometimes you won't even remember, like I was trying to do all these intentions, all these affirmations in order to have this thing, but when you're in that state of feeling grateful, things are gonna start coming into your life so naturally that you'll start to forget that this is something that you desired initially. So I hope you found this video helpful, and try this. Don't just listen to it, but try this. You know, this channel is not meant to just like boost your motivation and things like that, but this is something that you have to take and start applying into your life right away if you're serious about your manifestation process. You know, I'm not the kind of person who encourages you to take action from like this place of, you know, this lack of desperation. But if you have to take action, it's gonna be on these things where you have to be really passionate about changing your focus, changing your subconscious mind, changing your limiting beliefs, and that's how we get exactly what we want. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave any comments or questions down in the comment section below, or feel free to send me an email at rav@ravempowers.com. And also, don't forget to grab your ebook on how you can affirm and get exactly what you want, okay? So with that being said, guys, I want to wish you all the very best. Goodbye and namaste.